Are you craving something sweet? I'm just the solution! We're gonna make a cake with a few ingredients. We're gonna use a box of cake mix and a can of Sprite. I'm gonna pour this into my bowl. Now I'm gonna pour the Sprite into my bowl, all of it. Now we're gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna pour it into the pan. I'm gonna cook it for 20 minutes. Ooh, that looks delicious, yummy. Ooh, look at this yummy cake. Ask your parents to help you get your cake out of the oven. It's very, very hot. Make sure your cake is cool before you put frosting on it. It's frosting time. It's sprinkle time. I can't wait to taste this. This is delicious. Thank you for watching.